promised land. Where am I? Is this the real world? A lot of things are on my mind. I may be young and innocent, but not ignorant. I can clearly see what's present. I can only imagine life when the world was first created. A beautiful scene yet to be exploited. A dash of green and blue, then add a bright yellow sunshine that lights up the day. God gave us a word of promise. He wanted us to use it, take care of it, and make sure there's plenty for everybody. The water's not blue as it was. The air we breathe is not healthy anymore. The forest that used to be rich and full, not to be seen, dead. Then you did, destroyed. What happened to the promised land? How dare we ruin it? Look at it, people. Look at it. If the world could only see, it would tell us how much it hurts. All of us can do something, but not everyone is willing to do it. Now, I can't imagine what the future holds. Living, hoping, praying. The chances is getting thinner as the time. Time's running out. We better do it now or pay the price later. Let's rebuild this world and plant a new life for new day. Promised land. Video day.